Welcome to the Beep Test Quest. You've been chosen to take on a very challenging mission and return a special treasure back to your homeland. You will face many trials and tribulations along the way, including leg-burning lava fields, the Doubting Forest, and Misery Mountain. Keep going until you get home to level 10. You are out when you can't keep up and miss 2 beeps in a row. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Start level 1.
You've just retrieved your stolen treasure from the Faraway village.
Level 1, 2.
But someone sounded the alarm and they are onto you. Run!
Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5.
You have been chosen for this mission because of your bravery, endurance, and stamina.
Level 1, 6.
Don't stop until you complete your quest.
Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1.
Nice, you've reached the lava fields.
Level 2,
You'll have
2.
to keep going. Don't let the burning leg stop you. Oh, and hurry before the volcano erupts.
Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8. Start level 3, 1.
Wow, you're fast! You're already at the Doubting Forest. This is where the trees
Level
trick your
3,
mind into
2.
thinking you can't do it. Ignore them. Keep your eyes focused on the prize.
Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4. Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1. Level 4, 2.
The Mountain of Misery. Don't let the temptation of a water break stop you. This level is treacherous.
Level
Things
4,
are getting tough
3.
now, but you're nearly halfway.
Level 4, 4. Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1. Level 5,
Oh,
2.
the swamp of snakes! You'll have to move quickly through here. One bite and your body will be in all
Level
kinds of
5,
pain.
3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9. Start Level 6, 1.
Oh no, this is getting tough now. We're being chased
Level
by the
6,
evil
2.
witch and her guardian werewolf. Stopping now would be a big mistake.
Level 6, 3. Level 6, 4. Level 6, 5. Level 6, 6. Level 6, 7. Level 6, 8. Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10. Start Level 7, 1.
Great news, we are getting closer now. You've just
Level
entered the
7,
neighboring
2.
village. Beware, there are people here who want to stop and talk to you. Don't, they are after
Level
the treasure.
7,
Keep
3.
it hidden, move quickly and quietly. We are so close.
Level 7, 4. Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6. Level 7, 7. Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9. Level 7, 10. Start Level 8, 1. Level 8, 2.
Okay, you are passing the Sea of Despair. Its soft sand make your legs feel weak, and the
Level
smell
8,
of the salty
3.
air makes your lungs burn. You'll have to find some firm sand to run on, or you'll be swallowed up
Level
by the
8,
sinkholes.
4. Level 8, 5. Level 8, 6. Level 8, 7. Level 8, 8. Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11. Start Level 9, 1. Level 9, 2.
Ah, run! We've just
Level
entered the
9,
last level,
3.
and Utrid the Destroyer has heard about your treasure and wants to steal it for himself.
Level 9,
He has a
4.
deadly sword that will pierce your muscles and make you feel like you can't move anymore.
Level 9,
Don't let him
5.
catch you. Home is so close.
Level 9, 6. Level 9, 7. Level 9, 8. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11.
Congratulations, you made it. The whole village is celebrating. Thank you for returning the treasure. You ran hard, overcame all the obstacles, and came home victorious. Go on, enjoy a well-deserved rest, drink and pat on the back. Didn't manage to go all the way? No matter. Try again until you do.